connecting and fixing the two window frames. Take note of the position of the window frame placement. Secure the window frame with screws. Ensure the window frame is stable and fasten 4 to 5 screws. Secure the window frame with screws. The window frame needs to be fixed on the left and right sides, as well as above. Remove the fittings above the window frame before installing the sash. Install the sash into the window frame. Insert the upper sash first. Then insert the lower sash into the track. Check that the window slides smoothly. Insert the window locks into the window frames and secure them with screws. All window locks are installed in the same way. Determine the position of the anti-collision block by using the window handle. Drill holes in the appropriate locations and install and secure anti-collision block. Install the window frame fittings in their original positions.